Hey everybody!
My name is Solid Gamer and No Shave November is over. So let's shave this. And at the same time, I'm gonna make a haircut tutorial. So let's go. So the things I'm gonna use are these ones. A machine with power and a pair of scissors. And I actually have a power outlet right here and a plastic bag in the sink just to grab the most of the hair that's gonna fall off. Let's just take a look at that real quick. Yeah, because that's not really interesting. So let's get into it. Yeah. And there we go. I'm gonna start with the sides and the back. And I'm gonna put my razor to 9 millimeters so I don't look bald. What I've started doing is just trimming down the sides and the back because using the two mirrors I have on either side, I can see just fine what's going on in the back. Well, not straight from the back, but most of the stuff I'm doing, I'm able to see with my two fold-out mirrors. Yeah. So now that I've cut down the sides and the back of my head, kind of uneven, but that's why I'm going back and forth like 300 times. This looks a little bit funny. Yeah. Now I can actually just use the oh my god, this looks so funny. I can actually use the machine to just adjust the length of the hair. So if I make it stand up like this, I actually just run through it a couple of times to make sure it's just a little bit shorter. When I started doing this, I noticed my skin on my head is really dry. Oh man. But now, I actually begin to use the scissors to just trim off all that's uneven. I'm going to take a look in the back. Look at that. That's actually where I put down the most time. A hair got on the camera. So that anytime I cut like a bigger area on top, I actually cut the hairs like this, so that I don't just do that because then the hair gets no life. It looks just dull, and it's really hard to explain, but a lot of hairstylists use this technique to make the hair look more alive, I guess. It's all about taking your time, making sure that you're satisfied before you're moving on to the next thing. So I run my fingers through my hair a couple of times just to see if anything changes, if it's longer or shorter in some areas. Like this one. I don't want that. I don't want that at all. So I'm gonna cut it away. Shit. That wasn't smart. I blew my hair all over. There we go, guys. Since I don't have much time today, I'm gonna make this like a to be continued thing for me, but since I mash it together like this, you're gonna watch it in the same episode, which is awesome. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna go shave. And because a haircut doesn't look perfect from day one, it's gonna take like a week before it looks like what I wanted it to look like in the first place. So right now, I'm gonna shave and shower, and I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. So I'll see you then. And I wanna do this too. And by the way, I'm using a machine for this. Maybe I should save the mustache. No.
Yeah, and I'm done. I also used the machine to cut away the baby hair in my neck, you know? And I'm recording the last part of this live on Twitch. So hopefully it'll get better in a few days. Like I said before, have a nice day. If you want to know more or more detailed about anything, just leave a comment. And if you want to let me know you enjoyed this video, you know what to do with the like button.
Smash it!